What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys are having a wonderful weekend, a wonderful festive season, and I guess and I pray that you guys are big testing and forward testing for the coming week. This is your boy Harlan, and I'm back with another video. There's going to be a weekly outlook for the coming week. Didn't check the date. That's what I always forget to do, but I need to start checking the date and keeping my calendar in my bedroom. But without further ado, people, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment on the video, click on the link on my description to sign up with the broker that I use, and to most of all check my day in the life vlogs that I recently dropped. They cool, they fire, they informative. So first pair that I'll be looking at with you guys is the NAS. You guys can clearly see that the NAS is like possibly moving in a sideways direction, right? We have created this resistance, we have created this key level, and we have the support. I mean, we have the support, we've created a key level, and we've printed out a new resistance. So now all that I'm waiting for, or the confirmations that I'm waiting for, is to see that is price going to respect this resistance and move to the upside, or are we going to break above this highs and still continue moving to the upside? Because you can clearly see that the sideways movement that we're having has a possibility of price continuing to the downside. But one size do I have? Price closed above this very same resistance to end the week. So all we're waiting for now is to see that are we gonna respect this high? Are we gonna respect the zone to move to the upside, or break above this highs and still hold our movement has been bearish? But all I'm waiting for is for confirmation into what I have to do. Are we gonna break below again, or are we gonna continue moving to the upside? I guess we'll have to be patient and see that. So that's my take on the NAS. Looking at the second pair, which is gold. So gold has printed out a new all-time high at 2146 or 2145, 2145, 2146, somewhere right there. So, and moved to the downside. Now that we had this push phase and this exhaustion and continuation push, all that I'm waiting for now to see that price will continue moving to the downside is to see price moving and breaking further below the zone to continue moving to the downside. Or if we hold this zone and fail to break, then I guess we'd have to be bullish, because price has held this zone once to create an all-time high. If we come back here and fail to break, I'll be bullish. But if we break below, I'll be bearish. But I'm waiting for confirmation into what I have to do. So I guess I'll also have to play the waiting game. So we move, right? That pair that we're looking at is US 30. It's German 30. So German 30 also printed out an all-time high, 16,799 or 16,800, depending on what you say it is, right? So now with price having this strong move to the upside, all we're now waiting for is for price to have a deeper pullback or in a higher low formation, a deeper higher low formation, and look for further continuation to the upside. Because one, structure is bullish. Two, price is creating all-time highs. Three, we don't have a pullback. We don't have a deeper pullback on this rushing phase that we need in order for price to continue further to the upside. So all we're waiting for is for a deeper pullback or higher low formation to continue bullish. But if we break past the highs, then I guess we have to continue bullish with what price is showing us. So that's my take on German 30. So we move. The other pair that we're looking at is US 30. So US 30 had this push, and now we're in a possible sideways correction. German 30, US 30 had this push, and now we're possibly in an exhaustion phase or a sideways movement. All that I'm now waiting for the coming week is to have a bullish or bearish breakout to confirm our direction. If we break above, then I'd be bullish. Break below, then I'd be bearish, right? And that's the only thing that I can be waiting for. And that's what you have to do when price is in a sideways movement. Wait for a further break above or break below to confirm your direction, or wait for signs into what you have to do before you can do anything. So I'm waiting for a bullish or bearish breakout to confirm my direction. So that's my take on US 30. So we move. The other pair that we're looking at is USD CAD. So USD CAD, we had this breakout last week, and we had this break back in this week, and this retest above, and price tempted to continue bullish and came back again and tempted again to continue bullish. Now we possibly in the sideways movement, but still above a certain zone. All that I'm waiting for now is to be bullish, long as price is staying above the zone, or be bearish if we break below, or if we break this highs, then I can still continue moving to the upside. So I'm basically waiting for a break below to be bearish or break above highs to be bullish. And that will be it, because you can clearly see that we did break out and we did break back in and had signs of price failing to break below again and holding this zone. So with that being said, all that I'm now waiting for is to see that are we going to break above or are we going to break below and confirm my direction. So we move. The other pair that I'm looking at, it's Tesla. So Tesla, there's nothing that I have to say or nothing that I have to do because Tesla is holding this 231 zone and this 243 zone. So I'm either waiting for a stronger confirmation or a stronger candlestick that will be bullish, or stronger candlestick that will be bearish to confirm what I'll be doing, because there's nothing that I can say on Tesla. Tesla is just moving sideways and Tesla is not breaking past previous zones. So we're waiting for price to give us signs with candlesticks. Are we going to have a bullish engulfing or a bear engulfing candlestick to confirm what we'd be looking for? So that's my take on Tesla. I'm waiting for confirmation. We move. The other pair that we're looking at, it's also Bitcoin. So Bitcoin had this push and this possible bullish flag formation, and we broke above this very same zone. Now we're possibly having a retest that will give us signs of a continuation. But all that I'm waiting for now, because price at this highs and price at this lows, in order for me to continue moving to the upside, I need a candle close above. If price falls breaking above, would have a possible double top. I'll be waiting for price to break our lows and still move to the upside. And that will be it, because price is doing what it's doing. We just have to follow what price is doing, right? Are we gonna break above the highs and be bullish, or are we gonna break below the lows and be bearish? And that will be it. So we move. The other pair we're looking at is Ethereum. So Ethereum, I also don't want to say much on Ethereum, but all that I'm waiting for now, because you can clearly see that price is having push phase and an exhaustion push and an exhaustion push and an exhaustion push and an exhaustion push and an exhaustion. Now we're possibly having price failure to break above this continuation highs. So my trade idea is very simple. I'm waiting for price to break above highs, this very same highs or this rejectional highs. Once price breaks above those highs, I'm moving to the downside. Or if price breaks below this very same lows, then I guess I'd start looking for signs of a possible reversal. But price is bullish, waiting for highs, waiting for price to break above highs and be bullish, and that will be it. So we move. The other pair I'm looking at is Litecoin, because Harlem Life is too lit. Harlem Life is too lit. So Bitcoin hit this higher high, Litecoin, and hit this higher low and moved to the upside, creating this higher high. So we broke above this higher high. Now we're waiting for signs that price is going to come back to retest this highs to move to the upside, or is price going to break above this highs and still continue moving to the upside, because price is in the bullish uptrend, right? So my trade idea is very simple. I'm waiting for a retest of highs. I'm waiting for a retest of highs, those very same previous highs, to be bullish, or for price to trade above this very same current market price highs and still be bullish. And that will be it, because you can clearly see that price is bullish. We're seeing signs of price continuing bullish, and we're seeing confirmations that price is bullish. So what else that we've been looking for? Continuation trades to the upside. Last but not least, we're having oil. So oil, I won't say much. Oil, I don't want to chop it up that much. And oil, I don't want to prove myself that much that I can trade. But oil, you can clearly see that we broke above the very same zones that we're looking to be bullish on, be bearish on. Now we're possibly in the middle of the very same two zones. I'm waiting for price to give me a confirmation of a fall to break, or I'm waiting for price to have a fall to break right here, or for breakout, or for breakout, and that will be it, because there's nothing else that I can say. You can clearly see that I didn't even write my trade idea, because I'm also waiting for confirmation, right? Are we gonna fail to break and be bearish? Are we gonna break above and be bullish? Are we gonna fail to break and be bullish? Are we gonna break below and be bearish? And that will be it. Do you guys get that? So this will be my trade idea for the coming week. This will be what I'll be anticipating on this pace. Are we failing to break? Are we breaking above? Are we respecting zones? Are we violating zones? Are we doing whatever they will be doing? I guess we'd have to follow what prices be doing. But without further ado, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, I appreciate the unity and the dignity, and most of all, I appreciate you guys clicking on the video, subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, and doing everything that you're doing just to put me up there, because I put you guys up there with the value and the information that I'll be sharing. But without further ado, this is your boy Hunter. That's all I got in this video.